Sandwich Daddy's back again. Hi there, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad is back from my new digs here in Saskatchewan. Now, our kitchen isn't especially conducive to the type of filming I've been doing before, so I've got my new little setup here in my basement. We'll figure it out, get an island or something. Hi, Sandwich Dog. But till then, back in the basement. So here's the first sandwich we're going to make at our new setup in Saskatchewan. I've got some summer sausage, I've got some manchego cheese, pickles, Coslick's hot mustard, mayonnaise, tomato, lettuce, and I've also got this wonderful night oven bakery bread from a local great bakery that my friend Ryan brought for me. It's a sourdough. Let's start by toasting up a few slices. Of course, the toaster's upstairs, so we'll have to go upstairs to do that. With our bread toasted, we're going to mustard both sides. We're also going to mayonnaise both sides. Oop, missed a spot. Then, our summer sausage, for it is nearly summer. Next, this manchego cheese I got on sale. Followed by some pickles. A couple slices of juicy tomato with salt and pepper. And some romaine lettuce. Hey, what's your favorite Talking Heads album? Mine is Romaine and Light. We'll put it all together. I'd say that looks pretty good. Let's cut diagonally and reveal. Looks pretty nice. Well, I'm definitely excited for this bread. Looks like a pretty good sandwich. Let's go. You know, I think if futures could be predicted by the first sandwiches you make on social media, I think I'm going to like it here in Saskatchewan. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day.